4.2 novel section To Serve with Love by E.R. Braithwaite. In this video we will see novel in short, synopsis of the novel, and most important question answer section, which will be very important in all kind of examination. So let's start video in 3 parts. So watch the video till the end. Hey everyone, welcome you again in Balusha Educare. In this section of video, we will see 4.2 To Serve with Love by E.R. Braithwaite's novel in short. Here, it is necessary to understand no passage will be given in the examination on section number 4.2, and this section will be for 4 marks. And all questions are compulsory without option. Question will be like this. Question number 1, explain, describe, compare, contrast, name or discuss character, plot, structure, theme, setting or language. Question number 2, on illustrate, interpret, narrate, justify, find, identify character, plot, structure, theme or language. These 2 kind of question will be asked on any character, setting, novel. Before that, we should necessary to understand 4.1 also elements of novel. Let's discuss in detail about E.R. Braithwaite's novel To Serve with Love. And this यहाँ पे हम ये समझ के लेंगे कि एग्जैक्टली स्टोरी क्या है इस नॉवेल में. यहाँ पे द राइटर, द नरेटर E.R. Braithwaite took the job in London Lower East RAF of Rowdy at Greensland School, London. Here students are very mischievous, ill-mannered. So कहाँ पे भी उनको एडमिशन नहीं मिलता है, तो इसी स्कूल में उन्होंने एडमिशन लिया है और उनका टीचर है E.R. Braithwaite. तो पहले स्टूडेंट उनको बहुत परेशान करते हैं, बहुत तंग करते हैं. whenever he started to teaching anything, whenever he is trying to tell to anything, sometimes he also used to shout on the student. बट देर इज़ नो चेंजेस. स्टूडेंट ने बहुत तंग किया इस टीचर को, और उनका भी, उन्होंने भी पहले अच्छे पोजीशन पे थे, तो उनका सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर, एज ही इज़ अ ब्लैक पीपल, तो उनका जॉब गया था, तो उन्होंने ये जॉब फॉर ब्रेड एंड बटर अर्न करने के लिए एक्सेप्ट किया था, और यहीं से उनका ये टीचिंग प्रोफेशन स्टार्ट हुआ था. बट वाइल डीलिंग विद सच काइंड ऑफ स्टूडेंट, ही हैज़ डिसाइडेड टू डू समथिंग न्यू, टू चेंज इन द बिहेवियर ऑफ सच अ मस्तीखोर स्टूडेंट. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, अपना टेक्निक चेंज किया. तो अलग अलग टेक्निक यूज़ करके उन्होंने स्टूडेंट को हैंडल करना शुरू कर दिया. उस टेक्निक में फील्ड ट्रिप था, एक्सकर्शन था, म्यूजियम्स था, थिएटर्स थे, एंड ही इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट ऑर्थोडॉक्स टीचिंग मेथड्स, तो उन्होंने बियॉन्ड जाके स्टूडेंट को सिखाना शुरू कर दिया. और बिफोर गर्ल्स के नाम के पहले मिस, और बिफोर बॉयज़ के नाम पहले सर, ऐसा यूज़ करके उन्होंने बोलना शुरू कर दिया. स्टूडेंट ने भी टीचर को रिस्पेक्ट देना स्टार्ट कर दिया, और टीचर ने भी स्टूडेंट को रिस्पेक्ट देना स्टार्ट कर दिया. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द स्कूल इज़ रनिंग. एन ऑर्डिनरी टीचर विथ हिज टेक्निक चेंज द behavior of students who were considered ill-mannered, disrespect and mischievous. नॉवेल है. अभी हम देखेंगे सिनॉप्सिस ऑफ द स्टोरी. यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट एंड फॉर्मल ओकेजन है हाफ ईयरली रिपोर्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट काउंसिल, जो एग्जैक्टली चैप्टर नंबर 17 टू सर्व विथ लव के नॉवेल से लिया गया है. और इसी चैप्टर में इस डे का, पूरे डे का प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है, जो हाफ ईयरली रिपोर्ट प्रेजेंटेशन था स्टूडेंट काउंसिल का. और इस काउंसिल में ब्रेथवे के क्लास के स्टूडेंट ने किस तरह से प्रेजेंट किया, आउटस्टैंडिंग प्रेजेंटेशन दिया. और जो भी है, इवन दो दे आर इल मैनर्ड, मिस्चीवस स्टूडेंट, फिर भी उन्होंने जो अपने टीचर से सीखा वो बढ़िया प्रेजेंटेशन दिया सब क्लास के सामने. और उसको हेडमास्टर ऑफ द स्कूल उन्होंने भी प्रेज़ किया. और साथ साथ जो टीचर्स 3 बनाए थे, जो स्टूडेंट के आंसर देने के लिए उनका काउंसिल बनाया था, उन्होंने भी सब ये स्टूडेंट का प्रेज़ किया. तभी वो स्टूडेंट में जो चेंजेस देख के टीचर को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, द नरेटर ऑफ द स्टोरी, और उनको लगता है कि येस, दिस इज़ माई स्टूडेंट एंड ही इज़ फीलिंग प्राउड ऑन हीज स्टूडेंट. सो इस स्टोरी स्टोरी में जब भी हम देख रहे हैं कि एग्जैक्टली नॉवेल में यही सेक्शन दिया है कि उस डे का पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है, उस डे में क्या क्या हुआ। तो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ ब्रेथवेट क्लास कौन थे? मिस जोसेफ थी, मिस जोसेफ। तो उन्होंने क्या किया था, हाईएस्ट क्लास प्रेसिडिंग को करके उन्होंने अपना मीटिंग को स्टार्ट किया था विथ कॉन्फिडेंसली। पॉटर ही स्पोक ऑन द मैथ एंड द वेट एंड मेजर, and Miss Peg and Jackson, these both spoke on the geography. Miss Dare and Farron discussed about the psychology with using the human skeleton and given the message. Basically all people were the same.
Question answer session.
In this world, Miss Dodge spoke on the history with very confidently. Miss Joseph spoke on domestic science with examples, and Denham spoke on importance of PT and games in curriculum of the school. जो बच्चे एक मौका भी नहीं छोड़ते थे टीचर को परेशान करने का, वो बच्चे इतना बढ़िया प्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं स्कूल काउंसिल में। उसको देखकर टीचर फीलिंग वेरी प्राउड ऑन हिज स्टूडेंट, एंड दिस इज व्हाट द नॉवेल। दोस्तों, वीडियो के इस सेक्शन में हम देखेंगे 4.2 टू सर्व विथ लव। ओके, बिफोर द बिगिन विथ दिस सेक्शन, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू look at the I button. You need to go through the video of 4.1 history of novel. In that you should understand about the elements of novel, which are the plot, character, setting, all this, and after that you come here and go through this, because these are the basic. You should know first of all what is mean by character, what is plot, what is in structure, so then you can go through this, as this section is for the question answer section. Okay, now let's start with this section. Sir, with love. First of all, we'll learn about the novel in detail. It is an autobiographical novel. Autobiographical novel क्यों है? क्योंकि राइटर ने, नरेटर ने खुद लिखी है. That is known as an autobiographical novel. The narrator is an engineer, but to earn money, he accepts the job of a teacher in East End School at London. Narrator by profession, he is engineer, but after Second World War he lost his job and he accepted job as a teacher in East End School at London. The school is full of troublesome maker students who were rejected from other school for their behavior. स्टूडेंट्स बहुत मस्तीखोर होते हैं, उसके लिए उनको कहाँ पे भी एडमिशन नहीं मिला है, इसी स्कूल में उन्होंने एडमिशन लिया है. एट द बिगिनिंग द नरेटर इज रिडिक्यूल्ड, ह्यूमिलेटेड बाय द स्टूडेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट ने बहुत टीचर को परेशान किया जब भी वो टीचिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दिए थे. बट लेटर हिज काम बिहेवियर एंड डिजायर टू सी देम सक्सीड ग्रेजुअली अर्न हिम their respect. But slowly he changed their method of teaching and the students also involved, and he succeeded to change the behavior among the students. This is all about the novel in short. Now see about the writer E.R. Braithwaite, 1912 to 2016. He is best known for his stories of social conditions and racial discrimination against black people. Black people after Second World War, there is Cold War in between the country like US and London about the black people and white people, and he written the story on the conditions of such a people. His writing primarily deal with the difficulties of being an educated black man, a black social worker, a black teacher, and simply a human being who found himself in a set of inhuman circumstances. And he was belongs to that period at that time, colonialism. That time the black people hated by the white people. So that time he started writing on the conditions of a black social worker, black teacher, and simply human being. He got always insulted because they are the black complexion. E.R. Braithwaite was a great Guyanese born American novelist, writer, teacher, and diplomat. This is all about the writer. To To Soar with Love. We'll see about the novel. To Soar with Love is an autobiographical novel written by E.R. Brainwait. The novel is based on true events concerned with Brainwait's taking of a teacher post in Queensland school year. The novel recounts Braithwaite's personal experiences as a teacher in London, where his unorthodox teaching method won him the affections of the student. Braithwaite writing about his personal experience in the school in the London. The given chapter number 17 of the novel covered the day of half-yearly report of the student council and the behavior of the narrator, student, and the program. See, dear friend, the given chapter, whatever in our syllabus of class 12, which is taken from the novel To Soar with Love, and only chapter 17 is taken from that. And at the day when the half-yearly report of the student council were presented, and how narrator, student presented very well, that program का जो एक सीन है वो सब इस चैप्टर में दिया है. सी डियर फ्रेंड, क्वेश्चन किस भी टाइप का आ सकता है. हो सकता है कि राइट अबाउट द नॉवल, राइट थीम अबाउट द नॉवल, सेटिंग. तो इसके लिए आपको ये सब बातें ध्यान रखना जरूरी है और पॉइंट वाइज समझना जरूरी है. इट मे बी पॉसिबल हर टाइम ये रिपीट भी हो सकता है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन वाइज हमें ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल नॉवल है, ये बेस्ड ऑन क्वींसलैंड स्कूल है, वो रिपीट करना जरूरी है. There are 12 characters mentioned in this chapter 17. These are the characters: E.R. Braithwaite, narrator and teacher; Mr. Florian, principal of the school; Denham, oldest student of the school; Miss Joseph, oldest student of the school; Ferman, student of narrator's class; Potter, students of narrator class; Piano, student of narrator class; Mr. Weston, a teacher in the school; Mrs. Dell Evans, a teacher in the school; Miss Philip, a teacher in the school; Miss Page and Jackson, narrators of the class. And these are the characters. You can take the screenshot also. Now see, question can be like this: answer in 50 words to the questions given below. Question will be based on plot, structure, theme, setting, language, or character also. These are the elements of novel. So I am telling you, first of all, try to understand, watch the video 4.1, so you will very clear about what should write plot, what is structure, what is theme, setting of the novel. And in B1, describe, explain, compare, contrast, name, discuss. This is for 2 marks. इन्हीं कोई भी कैरेक्टर को डिस्कस करने के लिए, कंपेयर करने के लिए, एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. नेक्स्ट है B2, illustrate, interpret, narrate, justify, find, identify why this behavior like this, why narrator was shouted at the same time. Any kind of situation can be asked. That is for the 2 marks, and this section is for 4 marks on 4.2 To Soar with Love. We will learn one by one. If you need, you can take the screenshot. आप इसी का स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हो, ताकि और कहाँ पे नोटबुक में आप इसको लिख के रखो, ताकि नोट्स आपको मिले या ना मिले, लेकिन ये जो कैची नोट्स है इतना ही आपको बाय हार्ट करके रखना है, ताकि आपको एग्जाम में पॉइंट वाइज लिखने के लिए बहुत अच्छा पड़ेगा और आप इससे अच्छा मार्क्स भी ला सकते हो. नाउ सी द थीम ऑफ द नॉवल टू सोर विथ लव इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टीचर स्टूडेंट रिलेशंस. द गिवन चैप्टर 17 of the novel depicts half-yearly reports of student council. ये चैप्टर है, उसमें क्या दिखाया है, हाफ ईयरली रिपोर्ट है ऑन द स्टूडेंट काउंसिल का, वो डे का पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन किया है. It is about the half-yearly report of the student council and assembly, entirely arranged and presented by the student themselves. And it is kind of assembly, like we are organizing annual day or the annual report. In the same time, at the same way, here it is kind of assembly arranged by the student themselves. Student ने खुद arrange किया था to know about telling the progress of the class. The Braithwaite students show their improvement, confidence, and courteous behavior. Even though, as earlier I repeated many times that the students are very mastikor, very misconduct, misbehavior student. But here, while the presenting report, they shows the improvement, confidence, and courteous behavior. The novice Braithwaite, a teacher of this student, felt proud after seeing the progress of the students who were considered only disrespectful, ill-mannered and mischievous. उनको कैसे समझते थे सब लोग? डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल, उनको कुछ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है, मैनर्स नहीं है, मिस्चीवस है, मिसकंडक्ट है. लेकिन जब ये प्रेजेंट रिपोर्ट करते हैं, दैट टाइम टीचर फील वेरी प्राउड ऑन हिज स्टूडेंट एज दे लर्न फ्रॉम द टीचर इटसेल्फ. Here there are here only two statements on the theme of the novel. The writer was immensely pleased to notice the progress of his student, and next, the students showed a remarkable change in their behavior and were progressing in all these subjects. These are the two sentences, two statements from the novel itself that shows the theme of the novel. Now, so this is the kind of same question will be asked. So I'm repeating why. So you should remind the question. Now we'll see the plot of the novel. This chapter 17 of E.R. Braithwaite's autobiographical novel To Serve with Love. It is about November 15, an important day at Greenslead School, when half-yearly report of student council was going to be presented there. The older student organized the events. Denham and Miss Joseph, the oldest student, presided over the meeting. मीन्स ये 15 नवंबर को जब ये हाफ ईयरली ग्रीन्सलैंड स्कूल में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डे था, रिपोर्ट प्रेजेंटेशन का डे था. और जो ओल्डर स्टूडेंट थे उन्होंने क्या किया, मीटिंग को प्रोसीड करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. मीन्स डेनम और मिस जोसेफ, उन्होंने ओल्डेस्ट स्टूडेंट, जब कैरेक्टर जब हम देख रहे थे तभी हमने देखा कि ये दोनों ओल्डेस्ट स्टूडेंट थे ऑफ द क्लास. तो उन्होंने एंकरिंग का पार्ट लिया, उन्होंने मीटिंग को स्टार्ट किया. द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ ईच क्लास गिव अ ब्रीफ रिपोर्ट ऑफ देयर प्रोग्रेस इन ईच सब्जेक्ट. अभी जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव थे हर एक क्लास के, व्हाट वी कैन कॉल दैट मॉनिटर ऑफ द क्लास, उन्होंने हमारे क्लास में हमने पूरे क्या किया लास्ट 6 मंथ में, हमने क्या सीखा, किस सब्जेक्ट में क्या सीखा, वो अपना अपना बताना शुरू कर दिया. After this presentation, a panel of teachers including Mr. Weston, Mrs. Dale Evans and Miss Philip were chosen to answer any questions put by the student. ये सब होने के बाद ये जो 3 टीचर्स थे वो टीचर स्टूडेंट का जो भी आंसर है उसके लिए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उनको पूछ सकते थे और उसका आंसर देने के लिए चूज किए. देन व्हाट हैपेंड द नेक्स्ट प्लॉट मीन्स व्हाट, जो सीक्वेंस से जो स्टोरी चल रही है उसके बारे में पूरा आपको इन शॉर्ट में देना रहता है. When it was a time, a report, Braithwaite's class showed the immense confidence and improvement, which was finally praised by headmaster Mr. Florian. जो ब्रेथवेट का क्लास था, those are very famous for mischievous, misconduct, misbehave, but उनका कॉन्फिडेंस देख के फिर उनको हेडमास्टर ने भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से उनको प्रेज किया. Then Denham showed respect for everyone. Miss Joseph, Potter, Seppian, Jackson, Miss Peg presented the report of every subject before the panel with great confidence that showed what significant change narrators brought in his class. और जो ये बच्चे थे, पॉटर, सेपियन, जैक्सन, मिस पेग, इन्होंने इतनी बढ़िया प्रेजेंटेशन किया था ताकि सब लोग देखते रह गए कि इतना सडनली चेंज कैसे आ सकता है, सिग्निफिकेंट चेंज कैसे आ सकता है बच्चों में. Braithwaite, their teacher, felt proud and immensely satisfied after seeing the progress and improvement of its class. Braithwaite को बहुत अच्छा लगा और he started feeling proud on his student, ताकि इतना अच्छा प्रोग्रेस देखिए उसको भी बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था कि मेरे बच्चे हैं once upon a time जो मुझे बहुत परेशान करते थे लेकिन बहुत इतना बढ़िया प्रेजेंटेशन करे. So he feel the proud and this is what the teachers reward, no? Whenever student is doing outstanding, that time teacher feel very happy. This is what the plot of the story, and then this will be next question on the set. The setting of To Serve with Love East End of London in the late 1940th century. सेटिंग मीन्स है जिस टाइम पे ये स्टोरी हुई होती है उसके बारे में, प्लेस टाइम के बारे में दिया रहता है. So this story is from London in the 1940th century. The event of the chapter 17 of this novel was held at the auditorium of Greenslade School on November 15. जो इवेंट हुआ था ग्रीनस्लेड स्कूल में नवंबर 15 में हुआ था. सेटिंग के टाइम पे हम ये टाइम, प्लेस सब उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं इस सेक्शन ऑफ क्वेश्चन में, आंसर में. It was an important day because on this day there was a half-yearly report program of Student Council. This is only about the setting. Now see, the next question will be on the language and style. To Serve with Love is an autobiography novel written by E.R. Baitwist in English language. It is a work of fiction based on the life of the author. It's a fiction, okay? The life of author के बारे में autobiography novel. E.R. Baitwist is only writer of this novel. The novel is written in the past tense as Baitwist look back on his event of his first year teaching. The event in chapter 17 was narrated in a simple manner by the narrator. जो नॉवेल था वो पास्ट इवेंट के बारे में. सो इट इज रिटन इन the narrator E.R. Baitwist recollecting memory of his first year in teaching, and so it is written in the past tense in very simple manner. The words used by the narrator contribute to the smooth sailing of the plot. Afterwards, expressions have been used to give readers a complete idea of the situation. Simple word है, एक्सप्रेशन है जो उन्होंने सीन जो हमें जो बताया है जो 14 नवंबर का, जिसकी वजह से वो इजीली रीडर्स को समझ में आ जाता है. Now see, next question will be on the character sketch. It will be for the two message in 15 words. Okay, now see 12 character mentioned in the chapter. Again, I will repeat these characters. 10 characters are there. E.R. Baitwist, Mr. Florian, Venom, Miss Joseph, Vernon, Potter, Sapien, Mr. Watson, Mr. Dell Evans, Miss Phillips, and Miss Peg and Jackson, narrators of the class. And we will see here one by one, because question कैसे आएगा कि एक ही कैरेक्टर के बारे में आपको लिखने के लिए रहेगा, तो आपको ये अच्छी तरह से ये भी सेक्शन आपको अच्छी तरह से करना है. Now see, first of all we will see about E.R. Baitwist, which is a major character in this novel. Edward Baitwist is the narrator and a teacher. He is a very sensitive person. He was in the army and very upset at racism. He gets a job as a teacher in the school where students are disrespectful, ill-mannered and mischievous. The student harass him for his first day in the school, but the author wins the heart of the student by his creative ideas, innovative techniques and understanding of the student. On the day of the half-yearly report of the student council, he is very anxious about his students, but he felt proud and satisfied when he saw their improvement, confident behavior and progress in every subject. This is all about the राइटर E.R. Baitwist. इसके लिए आप जब भी इनके बारे में लिखोगे तो ये आप कहाँ पे तो नोट करके रखना, क्योंकि ये इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर है, मेन कैरेक्टर है, नरेटर है, तो इसके बारे में ये क्वेश्चंस आ सकता है ऑन अबाउट द कैरेक्टर सेक्शन. नाउ सी Denham. Denham is a student of narrator class. He shows professional approach while allocating tasks to other students. He is much more confident while sitting beside the headmaster in the function. He courteously addressed the girls as a miss in discussion about PT and games, and he shocks the audience with his view. He is trained boxer. His tone is initially blunt, critical and argumentative, but he politely and sportingly accepts his defeat when Miss Phillips gently replies his argument. Miss, Even though he belongs to the sports, he not have the good tone, but he got suddenly changed whenever he started presenting, because he is from the writer class. This is what we can write about when is the question for the on the characterization or the denom. We can take the screenshot of this. Now say next character, Miss Joseph. Miss Joseph is a senior student of narrator class. She is businesslike and confident while allocating tasks and fitting in the program. She is an important official for the function as she praised the function with denom and sits on the stage beside Mr. Florian, the headmaster. She also addressed the audience with confidence. She gives a short explanation of council's purpose and its activities. Means she's from where Miss Joseph is also belongs from the narrator's class. How confidently she addressed to the principal, to the audience, and given the short description about the today's program. Just take the screenshot one by one after the one character, so it will be very helpful for you while preparing for the study. Mr. Florian. Mr. Florian is headmaster of the school. He addressed the school one day of the student council. He spoke about the aims and the policy of school. He praised the improvements and the progress which was seen in the student, but insisted that it a great deal to be done. He mentioned the importance of student contribution. He remark shows that he is a good administrator. Means as a principal addressing after every class, he is addressed and telling about the policy and also praised for the school and also seeking a good result from the school in future also. This is all about Mr. Florian, principal, headmaster of the school. Miss Philip. Miss Philip is a teacher in Greensland School and one of the member of 3 teacher panel set to answer the questions of the student. She is considered as a resistant and brainless. Okay, while answering Denom's questions, she proved that she was the coolest and best resourceful person. She intervened skillfully when the other 2 teachers were at a loss. She gives her views confidently. She clarified that the timetable of the school was not only good, but it was created to help the student. She defeated Denom in his argument. Now see, means earlier Miss Philip from the member of 3 teacher, और वो किस तरह से कॉन्फिडेंसली उन्होंने स्टूडेंट के बच्चों को रिप्लाई दिया स्टूडेंट को. This is all about what she did in that day on 15th of November. Now next, Miss Dare. Miss Dare Evans is a teacher in Greensland School. She was also a member of 3 teacher panel which was set to answer the question of the student. On the day of half-yearly report of the student council, she speaks about the problems which all humanity has to face in terms of sickness and disease, and of the advantages gained by in charge of knowledge, advice and assistance. Her contribution was something of an anticlimax after Vernon's performance. ओके मीन्स परफॉर्मेंस एक स्टूडेंट के होने के बाद वो अपना अपना व्यूज बताते थे बिकॉज शी इज फ्रॉम ऑल्सो पैनल ऑफ 3 टीचर. नाउ नेक्स्ट है Farman. Farman is a student of narrator class. He is a clear, precise and a dramatic and only comic character in this chapter 17 of the novel. A comic character. Okay. On the day of the half-yearly report of student council, he keeps the audience spellbound by his speech. He makes the atmosphere comic with his action. He discussed the subject of psychology, showing the model of human skeleton. He stressed the class conclusion that basically all people bear the same. इसने ये फर्मन स्टूडेंट है फ्रॉम नरेटर्स क्लास, उसने साइकोलॉजी के बारे में प्रेजेंटेशन दिया था. एंड डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द नॉवेल. दिस इज पिक्चर टेकन फ्रॉम द मूवी टू सर्व विथ लव. दिस मूवी इज अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब. एंड जो भी हमने अभी तक देखा इसका अपने स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखो, कहाँ पे तो नोट करके रखो. इसके बारे में नोट्स रहेंगे, वो भी आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस देयर विल बी टेस्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर, उसका भी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस बटरफ्लाई of part of the section of the novel which you are asking since long to prepare a video on this, and this way you can get good marks in the examination. Thank you so much.